Hey, it's Ryan. We out here at Moab with Ready to Ride Rentals. The man himself, Bo Law. Yoo! What you doing down here, Bo? What you doing up there, Brian? Hit my kicker! Get the fuck out of the way! Alright, we rolling out day 2. Boys partied a little too. Let's roll out, get it done. Oh, whoa. Too much. Pretty good with that handle. Looking good, Bo. Let's see it, Bo! That was pathetic, Bo. You're up! He says no. Let's see if we can talk Bo into it. Bo! Quite a place for lunch, hey boys? Let's do this, senders only. Gnarly. What's this guy's doing? Nice gear, dude. Climb life. Climb life. Where are we at? Mars? Yeah! He out. Day 3. 5 miles of hell, we out here. Brian's got the breakfast beers going. What are you doing, man?
Oh, my fault.
Shout out to my boys Bulletproof. Woo! Looking fresh. Climb life. Climb life. Climb life. You got it! Ah! He smashed the tree the last time. See if he makes it this time. You love that tree? He's not happy with me right now.
Stay on the gas and boom, 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 boom.
It's like a battlefield out here. He just walked away. Screw it, it's a rental. That was perfect. You just needed your blip, bro. You got it, Bo! Got that beer going on the crook. That's what happens when you make it to the top. Bo's eating nuts. I'm eating wiener. Perfect combo. Kissing with a view. He's got it. But now I return. Yeah. Sometimes everybody gets caught wishing they had another life, had another mission. They gotta make that incredible decision. He needs to hit it in second or he ain't gonna make it. Yeah, we all have to make the choice to rise above it. It might be hard, but protecting. Twice as hard. Look at this place. You ever seen anything like it? Craziest thing. I'm so grateful cause I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every week in my
it! Oh, all the way up. All the way. Ooh, that's it, boys. We made it. 5 miles of hell. Moab 2020. We'll see y'all in 21. Bye-bye.